In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain on GoDaddy and add the email starter bundle. To get started, go to the GoDaddy homepage. Once you're there, look for the domain search bar, which is usually featured prominently on the main page. This is where you can check whether the domain name you want is available. Type in your desired domain name carefully, including the extension you want, such as .com, .net, or another option that fits your needs, and then run the search. After the results load, review the availability of your chosen domain. If it's available, you can move forward and add it to your cart. If you see alternate suggestions or different extensions, stay focused on the domain you actually want so you don't accidentally select the wrong one. Once you've confirmed the correct domain, add it to your cart to continue. Next, you may be taken through an upsell page. This is a common part of the checkout flow, and it's designed to offer additional services that can be bundled with your domain purchase. On this page, select the email starter bundle. This option is useful if you want a more professional email setup connected to your new domain, rather than using a generic personal email address. Make sure the correct bundle is selected before moving on. After that, proceed to checkout. At this stage, take a moment to review everything in your cart. Confirm that the domain name is spelled correctly, that the registration term looks right, and that the email starter bundle is included if that's what you intend to purchase. It's always worth double checking before payment, since even a small typo in a domain can cause issues later. When everything looks correct, continue through the checkout process and submit your payment. Depending on the checkout flow, you may be asked to sign in, create an account, or confirm your billing details before finalizing the purchase. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully and complete the payment when you're ready. Once your payment has been submitted, your order should be processed and your domain will be secured under your account, along with the email bundle you selected. From there, you can move on to setting up your domain and configuring your email services as needed. That's it for this process. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to purchase your domain and include the email starter bundle smoothly and confidently.